You're not gonna believe this, but a gust of wind came by and the whole thing just took itself apart. All right then, you just calm down. I'll be working on removing the whole front clip today. Hood, radiator support, grill, bumper. That fender's already gone. Get the inner fender on this side and then the outer and inner fender on this side. Let's get it to work. She's a little naked right now. Can see everything. The rust. The 50 years of rust. She's still just as clean as when I pulled her out of the T-Bird. It's so awesome. For those of you that don't know what this is, it's a 429 Thunderjet out of a 1968 Ford Thunderbird 4-door Suicide Lindau doors. Car was in pretty rough shape, so this will be going in the 1955 F100 someday. Gonna be sweet. Burning tires. So you know they did a good insulation job underneath the dash when the heater core decided to suck some of it in. That's a great job there. It's mint. Mint there, bud. Oh, that's stuck. Okay, we're not getting that open. Is that a good view of your finger?
I was gonna say, what the heck is that doing there?
It helps to not put your finger in front of the camera.
Well, camera must be in a different spot on my phone.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Get the boot off. Folks, in case you don't know what we're looking at, this is a truck transmission, a Warner T18 4-speed. She's a bulletproof transmission from back in the day. Alright, so we got all that done. I covered the entrance where the shifter was so that that doesn't get debris in it. Hopefully the drive shaft will just pop right out when we start to go forward, and then that'll drop quick enough for us, but we'll see if it doesn't miss the firewall spot there. Okay, so in theory we have pretty much everything unbolted and ready. Again, I'm going to say that in theory.
You'll find out real quick.
Around the transmission, exhaust.
There's probably 6 more things we need to undo, but got the transmission all jacked up with my 4-ton. Engine hoist is holding the engine up, and gotta just undo this to clear the cross member so we can drop the trans down below the firewall on the inside. What a fun process. Assembling this is going to be a lot funner than disassembling. Not easier, but funner, because I know that all the good parts are going back in. How's it going, Pop?
Great, they're both loose.
Employee number 1 is pantsless again.
You got your feet all
This is
wet?
now 2 videos in a row. I'm getting a little concerned.
Feet up while we're
It's just, get away from me. Stupid fly.
She's your wife. Oh.
Come on. Oh, there we go. It's the whole thing. You got a hold of it?
I did.
Okay. That's all you.
Alrighty. Forward, now come back up.
Alright. Oh, my back. I really hope the bench seats are a little comfier than this floor. Man, those are clean gears. Let's get those looked over at a transmission shop when we're done pulling this out. Hopefully we can do it without getting too much crud in there, but word of the wise, if you're ever removing a engine and transmission from an old truck without a high arch in the firewall for removal, remove the top. It helps immensely. That's if you have that option. But yeah, everything else went very smooth getting the bolts out and whatnot, but just kept running into a bit of a pickle. So, okay, one last wire piece. You wanna, I got the dikes right there.
No! You'll never. March to the bank. The white and the green.
We are not splicing those. Okay, where's the tire? Oh. Here's your sign.
Strategically placed it right there.
Strategically? No, we're not going to get up that high.
Yeah, why don't we have this extended to start with?
Because I wasn't thinking that far. Let's, yeah, drop it down and then extend it. Lift it back up. I gotta raise this up again. This is how a Whitcamp's brain works. We go through like 16 things and then we're like, that sounds good. Realize that still doesn't work.
How's that working for you?
Pretty good.
Good job.
Well, folks, didn't have a whole lot of footage for you because I was trying to get it done. But got the 390 with the T18 tranny. Those are just heads and intake for my 460, but got it all situated. It's sitting ready to be taken care of, and the heart has been pulled. Now the real work can commence of getting down to the nitty gritty of the sanding of the frame and the suspension components to go get them powder coated. So anyway, thanks for joining us. It was a quick video this time, but see you next time, and God bless. Thanks for joining us.